Welcome to SKUAST Kashmir University of Agriculture and Sciences and Technologies official tutorial video for applying in UG admissions 2026. In order to start your in online applications, first of all on the Google, you just can search for SKUAST Kashmir, and on the front end banner you can see the admissions are live now. Click on apply now. You can scan this QR code also. You will land to a dashboard. You will start signing, and after clicking on this button you can see a critical admission alert telling you about that you must use your own email ID for filling up the form. And since we have made this portal very mobile friendly, so a student can easily register and apply and upload their document directly from your smartphone. And there is an critical alert that never share your email password with anyone else. When you click and understand this thing, click on this, continue with Google account, select your Google email. We also place an advisory here to be very cautious about third party channels, YouTube videos claiming to represent SKUAST Kashmir admission guides. Authentic, verified, and safe information, always rely solely on this official university portal. The university will not be held any responsible for any financial loss or misguidance caused by unauthorized channel. So when you understand the security alert, you must click on I agree. Then you can see you can land to your personalized dashboard. Before starting your application, you must complete your profile first in order to upload your photograph and signature. Upload your photo and signature in order to unlock the application. You can simply select your photograph here. Instantly it gets updated. You can upload your signature. Once it is done, you can start your filling up your application form. So you can see this notification has been live and the closing date is 10th of May 2026. You can download the notification from here and the brochure later on. This application is for domiciles of J&K, UT, NRIs and other states for undergraduate program. Starts your application. Another official advisory here has been put in place that SKUAST Kashmir does not authorize or operate any consultancy or agency for admission services. All admission processes are conducted directly by the university. So start filling up your application. Start with the degree level you are applying for. In this case, we are offering undergraduate under this notification. Then select your highest qualification. Among these 9 categories, you must select wherever you apply for. For example, if you are a PCB candidate, just click here 10 plus 2 with physics, chemistry, bio, and the programs in which you are eligible will be popped out here. Similarly, if you select arts with economics as one of the subject, you may able to view only one program that is being offered for this eligibility, that is economics and data science. Similarly, for mathematics, statics, and business management, and also the commerce. So in these 4 subjects, these 5 subjects, we are offering economics and data science eligibility from these 4 drop down. So let us say I'm a PCBM candidate. So I may select here fisheries, forestry, or whatever I want to opt for. So next you have to edit your name, the email address, the phone number, enter your date of birth, then select your state from where you are, select the district. Admission category. Now you need to select the admission category from which you belong to. You may need to first of all select your horizontal category if you are applicable in that. So I may select sports category, CDP, paramilitary, and PWD, and also Ward of SKUAST-K. So in these 5 cases, you have to select your base category or vertical category. And if you select directly your open category or whatever category you belong to, here you may no need to select the vertical category. Next is that you can select in which domicile category you are applying. If you are applying in the J&K, UT of J&K, the fees is being calculated accordingly. And if you are also applying in NRIs, then additional NRIs fees will be added to the total amount. In next section, we need to fill your personal details. Fill up your personal details. Select your gender. Check if you are physically disabled. If yes, you may select the disability type from the drop downs. You may need then you may need to select the disability option. If yes, then you have to enter the type of disability you have and the percentage, and if you are not, you can directly click on no. Then enter your alternate contact number, permanent address with pin code. Similarly, you can place your corresponding address over here. Then for the educational information, next section, you have to enter your highest qualifying exam details. Here I will write 10 plus 2. If your result is declared, just click on declared. Enter your marks. Say for example from 1000, I got 999, and the percentage, I'll put on the percentage. And then you can select the stream. If your result is not declared, then you can click on result awaited. Then you may no need to enter the marks right now. If you are a PCBM candidate, you may need to enter your physics marks, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. If your stream is commerce, then you have to enter economics marks as the main, and then subject 2, 3, 4. Similarly for statics and business management and agriculture. For agriculture, you have to have marks in physics, chemistry, then agriculture, and then the fourth subject. Right now, my stream is PCMB, so I'll keep on filling the details for PCMB streams. First of all, physics. Say for example, 90 out of 100, 90 out of 100. Next, and you can at any stage of point, you can just save your progress, save the application form at any point. So you can save the half-filled application form at any point of time. If you then you when you resume back, you can start application from any point of time. Okay, the next section, fifth section, is the competitive exam score. This section is only enabled if you have selected NRIS or other states as the domicile applying category. If I uncheck the NRIS, you can see that uh, there is no option of competitive exams. And if I select the NRIX here, I may need to enter the details of the competitive based exam score. As you know that the NEET and JEE score is required to be eligible for applying under NRIS and other state category. If I select yes, if I'm able to produce a NEET and JEE score right now, I should select yes. If I have not applied yet and don't have a score, then I will click on no. If I click on no, and if I have a NEET score, I will enter my NEET score. If I also have a JEE score, I can enter my JEE score, whatever it is. Then you understand that the NEET and JEE score is required for the selection process of NRIs and other state application. Here, you have to click on agree, and you also agree that and understand that admission to the BVSC, BTech AI in Agriculture, and BTech Agriculture Engineering degree program will be based on NEET or JEE main score in the NRI sponsored and other states or UT category. Here, you have to agree that you will produce the required scores as when and asked. So click on I agree here. Then next come the exam preference. You have to select your exam choice of exam preference as Jammu and Srinagar only for UET, and for economics and data science, the exam center for BSc Economics and Data Science will only be conducted at the Srinagar Center if you applied. So, for example, if you select Jammu for UET, and also you have selected other programs over here, and for the entrance for the other programs will be conducted in Jammu, and for the Economics and Data Science specifically, the exam will be at Srinagar. So by default, the exam center for EDS exam will be in Srinagar. So you can select Jammu for other programs, but for EDS you have to be present in the Srinagar. So better would be clicking the Srinagar center in that particular scenario. Then you need to confirm that the exam center choice once submitted cannot be changed afterward. If you also know that for the candidates who applies under wards of SKUAST-K, whether they are from Jammu, Kashmir, or whatever state, they have to sit in the entrance examination. Even they are from if they are from other states. For example, an applicant is from Ladakh, which belongs to another state category, and is a ward of SKUAST-K, then he only can apply under state other state category, right? And also he can apply for NRIs. In that case, the exam center choice is still being asked. And if you see, if we select only J&K over here, and then exam preferences being asked again. So once you have done this part, and the seventh section is upload documents. Please note that the document submission is not required at this stage. Applicant will be asked to upload necessary document during the counseling process. So you may no need to upload the document at this particular time. That will be asked to submit the document in the counseling process. So once it is done, either you can save your progress and pay later, or you can just click on the checkbox and click on proceed to payment, asking me to select the district. Okay, once I click on proceed to payment, important payment advisory note. Please, applicant, please know that if your payments are successfully debited from your account, it does not immediately reflect on your admission portal. Do not panic and please do not pay again. Please wait at least for 24 hours for banking auto update cycle to clear your transaction. Most pending payments are resolved automatically by the payment gateway. And if the payment is still not updated after 24 hours, you can securely raise a support ticket directly from student dashboards. We are always here to assist you throughout the entire process. You understand, and click on the proceed to pay. And here you reach to the payment gateway. You can select any one of the option. You can choose your debit card, credit card, or UPI. You can put your UPI ID here, click on verify, or you can directly generate a QR code and pay from your phone. So I have completed the form, paid successfully. Now I can download my application form from here. You can see you have all the information about the filled application, program in which you have been applied, your name, all the personal information, your educational detail, whatever you have filled, exam center preferences, domicile category, applying as your base or vertical category, and the domicile. category. Here you have your transaction ID of your bank, time, date, and then your signature. You can directly print out your application form and save it as a PDF in your system. Thanks for watching this tutorial for applying under SKUAST Kashmir UG admissions. Thank you so much. Payment advisory